In a verdant valley, where the river's song flowed gently, lived a unique plover named Plover. Known for his wisdom beyond his years, Plover was a beacon of hope for the valley's creatures. One day, a great storm swept through the valley, causing the river to overflow. The other birds were in a panic, unsure of what to do. But Plover, with his calm demeanor, decided to help. He gathered the creatures and led them to higher ground, ensuring the safety of all. As the storm raged on, Plover sat atop a rock, watching the river swell. He was not afraid, for he knew that even in the deepest darkness, there was always a dawn. In the morning, as the storm subsided, Plover gathered the valley's creatures once more. He led them back to their homes, his wings guiding them through the now calm waters. The creatures were grateful, but Plover merely smiled, for he knew that true wisdom lies not in being the hero, but in being the guide. From that day forward, Plover became a symbol of hope and guidance for the creatures of the valley. His wisdom was not in his age, but in his understanding that even in the darkest of times, one can find a way to lead others to safety. For Plover, being a leader was not about being the strongest, but about being the one who sees the light, even in the darkest storm.